Hi everyone, in this video we are going to work with Python indentation. Let's watch this amazing video. In before tutorial we seen about operators, that is in Python having different type of operators like arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, identity, membership, bitwise. Many operators we seen in before tutorial, and we also done some practical approach regarding that tutorial. If you missed the tutorial, the link was available in description. Just go and learn about what is operators. Now in this tutorial we are going to work about indentation. Just I'll close this file and create a new file and name it as indentation. What is meant by indentation? Generally, I never heard the word before while working with C or Java. While C about in C, generally we need to write any loops, that is if loop. Generally, we'll write like this, right? We'll write like code. So in Java, of course, in C sharp also. But instead of writing these curly braces in Python, we are going to write that is white space. So white space is called indentation. So don't confuse. I'll explain very clearly. Just listen carefully. Just I'll write like white space means actually Python relies on indentation. That means just I'll write if condition. So like 23 greater than, okay, 34 greater than 50. So I'll print that is 34 smaller than 50. You observe, while I'll press the enter, you can observe that white space. We are getting this white space. This is called indentation. Instead of writing curly braces in Python, we are taking this white space. If I remove this white space, what happens? Generally we'll do, what is the use of white space? Generally we'll remove as a beginner. So just run this file, which is shift enter. Just you can find the error that is expected an indent block. So that is meant by, it's like we missed the white space, that is indentation. Just back, just press enter and automatically you'll get the white space. Otherwise you can press tab also in your laptop, in your keyboard. Just shift enter, you can find, oh shut, yes, of course, 34 is not greater than 50. So just make less than and just make else, and you can write print none, which is in quotations, don't forget that. And just shift enter and you can find invalid syntax. Then just make back and now shift enter and you can find. Now just make, instead of less than, just make greater than and shift enter, you can find it's printed. Like you can print like 34 is like 50 is greater than 34, whatever it may be, you can write. So this is the way. So no worry about if loop, how I'm writing if loop, everything will explain with coming tutorial. No need to worry about this. So indentation error is very important. So just if I remove the space, getting the error, that is you can find this error. And if I remove here also, you'll get definitely error, which is invalid indentation error. So indentation is very important while working with Python. So if you miss it, that like small pinch of space, you'll get errors in Python. So don't forget about indentation. Just make sure while working with indentation, mainly in if loop or we are having while loop, and don't forget that. That's all about this tutorial. And I'll come with another tutorial, that is Python reading the file which is input. So generally how we can read the data like dynamically. So we are going to work in coming tutorial. Stay tuned about coming tutorial. Hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos, and do like and share also. And if you want